the temperature outside today?
In Yarmouth, today, expect a high of -8 and a low of -12. There is currently a winter storm warning in effect.
Hello, my little rays of sunshine. How are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and today is Saturday, January the 15th, 2022. And take a look behind me. Look at the weather outside. Yes, it's a very snowy and very windy day, and the weather picked up quite a lot last night. It was pretty stormy last night. It seems to be starting to settle down now compared to what it was like last night. But my friends, if you want to join me today, I won't be going too far, obviously, in the car or anything. I'll probably be staying put today. But if you want to join me, it would be great to have your company on this very blistery, windy, snowy Saturday. Well, we still have power here. The power hasn't gone out, surprisingly. So I thought I'd take advantage of this time and fold some laundry and probably put another load of laundry on and put the dryer on as well. Gerald and I have been watching Adam the Woo on YouTube, so that was a nice way to spend our morning having my second cup of coffee. But now I think it's time to get a few chores done. And if the power goes out, that's okay. I'm prepared. I'm prepared. We knew this storm and this bad weather was coming, so I'm all prepared. But for now, since we still have power, I think I'm going to get some laundry started and put a few clean dishes away. It is 5 minutes to 10 in the morning, and I'm just going to take another look out the window just to see how things are going. I plan to do a little bit of shoveling today if things settle down a little bit more. There's a snowdrift where our little sidewalk should be, so I'll have to get out there sometime today and get that shoveled. There's not like a ton of snow, but just enough that we do have to do some shoveling. Get that walkway cleared. And the driveway's not too bad. It needs a bit of shoveling there, but not too bad. But in the meantime, there's always things that need to be done around the house. That's for sure. There's always chores to do. Never-ending chores.
Dripping like
Well, the weather has settled down a tiny little bit. I think I'm going to venture outside with Gerald, and I have this extra shovel here. So I'm going to go and help Gerald to shovel out the sidewalk and get rid of those snow drifts and just see exactly how the snow is around our car. So I'm going to venture out, my friends. Come on along and make sure you put your hat and mitts on because you're going to need them. We just come in from outside from doing quite a bit of shoveling, and my face is still quite red from the cold, and yes, my hair is a mess. I'm going to comb my hair. But first what I want to do is put this kettle on. I think I'll make Joshua and Gerald and myself some hot chocolate or some hot cocoa just to warm us up a little tiny bit. I'm having mine here in this mug. Joshua actually gave me this mug for Christmas, for a Christmas present. And I've got my hot cocoa right in there, all ready to go. And because it's such a cold, wintry day today, I thought maybe for lunch I'd make some nice hot soup for everybody. I've got more than just this one can to make soup, but I think I'm gonna make some of this, my friends. Something nice and warm on such a cold, wintry, blistery day. Well, my friends, I have the chicken with rice soup on the go here for lunch to keep us nice and toasty warm. And I just checked the temperature outside here in Nova Scotia, and it is minus 12 degrees Celsius, and it's minus 23 degrees Celsius with the wind chill. So my friends, it's very chilly out there, and I'm going to be staying in this house for the rest of the day. I want to thank you for joining me today on such an interesting Saturday. And if you like this vlog, please give me the YouTube thumbs up or press that subscribe button. That would be great. In the meantime, you guys stay nice and warm, stay safe, have a nice cup of hot chocolate today, and enjoy your Saturday and Saturday night. I have more vlogs to come, so stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon. Bye. Bye.